What is the worst advice that you think, or you've heard a fitness trainer give someone?
Ah,
And you just felt like this is absolutely berserk.
10 दिन में 5 किलो कम हो सकता है. I can make you lose 5 kilos in 10 days. Yeah. You work out with me, we'll work out. I'll make you lose weight. And that's one thing in my career I have never told anyone. Because people will come and say, okay, if I sign up for a 3-month program, how much weight will I lose? And I say, I don't know. And people, like earlier on when I just started out, people wouldn't join me. Because they'd be like, but that trainer told me in 3 months I can lose this much weight. Why are you not saying it? I said, because honestly, I don't know. I don't know your body. I don't know how your body reacts to exercise. I don't know what food plan you're going to follow. I don't know how consistent you're going to be with me working out. Only then can I tell you, I said, after a month of working with you, once I've understood how your body works, I can actually tell you, you lose this much weight if you continue to do XYZ. But you're not going to, because life is not so structured. Unless you're working for a competition, or you have a wedding, or you have a birthday party, or your big birthday coming up. We're never consistent.
So I know you have a lot of celebrity clients. How do you say their dedication is? Is it just like everyone else? Are they more dedicated because they spend more time on screen?
So I always believe you become a celebrity or a star because of hard work that you put in. Okay, nobody just wakes up and shoots up to the top. It's hard work. It's long hours at work, long hours of shoot, makeup, this, that. And when their bodies look like that, it's long hours in the studio, in the gym. So they work out, they're more dedicated, they're more disciplined, they're more consistent than anybody else when they're working. And when they're not working, they relax, but they're still consistent. So when they're consistent 12 months of the year, if they have a role to do, like Katrina and Sheila Ki Jawani, or Deepika and Pathaan, you can tweak up their fitness level, their workouts to make them look the way that they want to.
Who is the most consistent celebrity that you train?
All of them.
Really?
Yeah, all of them. The only time they're inconsistent is if a shoot comes up, or a fitting is running late, or a meeting that they had, a script reading that ran late, or they suddenly have to travel. That's when they're inconsistent, but they're all very, very focused.
Before I let you go, what is one piece of information or advice you want to leave for Indian women that are watching this and want to take on their fitness journey and dedicate more time and attention to it?
The one piece of advice definitely is, first identify your goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it strength? Is it a better body? Is it more energy? Is it more flexibility? And then find something that works towards that goal. Set short-term goals. Okay, 3 months, I'm going to try this. Or even shorter, if you don't know what to do, say, okay, for 1 month, let me try yoga. And if I don't like it, then maybe I'll try Pilates. And if I don't like that, then maybe I'll go to the gym. And find that niche, that workout, that there is definitely a workout for each one of us. There is definitely something out there that we are going, like you just said, I hate doing cardio. And then I said swimming, and you said, I love swimming. Walking, yeah. So sometimes our mind blocks it, right? Because cardio looks like when people are running, or they're going crazy on the bike or on the cross trainer. But there is definitely a workout for each one. And another really, really important thing, which 90% of the people don't do, is work on their strength. As we grow older, we have to strength train. Because we're going to lose bone density every decade, our muscles are going to also go down. And we need our muscles to protect our bones. So my oldest client right now is Helen Khan, and she's 86.
Wow.
And she works out every day, 6 days a week. And she loves it.
Incredible. And what kind of
Yeah.
a workout does she do?
Pilates and a little bit of strength. And the other day she was doing some battle rope. So, and she came into my studio walking with a stick. Yeah.
And she's without a stick now.
Doesn't know where, she's like, I don't know where my stick is. It's in some corner of my house. I've not seen it for a really long time.
That's amazing. What an accomplishment.
Yeah.
Really. Thank you so much, Yasmin, for making
Thank
the
you,
time and being
Masoom.
here.
It was so
And-
lovely being here. Thank you.
I really hope all the motivation trickles down to me as well.
I hope at the end of this show, you're going to go work out.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you.